watching CoastLife, and the time is here, our final Halloween DIY of the week. And this one is so cute, so fun, and it's especially good for kids.
Yes, should be pretty easy. All you're gonna need is a balloon, the balloon stick, and the little balloon holder guy that connects the two.
Yeah, we got these for like $1 at the store.
Something like that.
$2, pretty cheap.
And we got some streamers too to kind of give our ghosts a little bit of a tail, a little bit of a haunted trail, if you will.
So you can make any color ghost, but we have white balloons because we thought we'd make traditional ghosts.
We're going classic here. So yeah, let's get to it. The steps are pretty easy.
Super easy.
Step 1, inflate the balloon.
Woo! How big are you going?
I think that's probably good, right?
Okay. Whew, I'm a little lightheaded.
Yeah. This is the tricky part, tying the knots on the balloon. You got it?
I'm a balloon pro.
So I see.
Yeah.
Me not so much.
Do you want help?
Got it.
There you go. All right, so we actually haven't used these before. So we have our little balloon stick holders. I gotta go this way. And they have these little, I don't know what you call these, like little slits on them.
Yeah.
Just slide it in there, get the knot.
Okay.
And so it should sit.
Like so.
Yeah, boom.
There we go.
Look!
Yeah. We want to do what, streamers first?
Yes. Yeah, let's do streamers first. Why not? What do you think?
And draw last so we avoid any chance of rubbing.
Yeah.
Stick.
I don't know. We might need some more Gorilla Glue. We have it laying around somewhere. We both are like this with our balloons in front of our face. Like, you can't see us. Do you want help?
Yeah, I don't know why it's not, okay, there we go. Got it.
Nailed it. All right.
First try.
Yeah. So let's just grab some streamer.
Okay.
You got yours. All right.
Mine?
We did black and white, but I'd love to see like a rainbow ghost.
Yeah, that would be fun.
That can't hurt.
So you want to just kind of tuck this in that top balloon holder and wrap around the stick here?
This is the part we're just going to go crazy with and figure out as we go along. Yeah, I think so. I was going to kind of just... Oh, you know what you could do? Maybe just like tie it.
Yeah.
I'm having the opposite problem. The stick keeps coming out. There
Give them a little bit of length.
Yeah.
How many streamers do you want to do?
I don't know, 3 maybe?
3? Do you want to mix colors too?
Yeah, I'll trade you in a second here. Yeah. Oh,
Streamers.
I love. I'll do one more black. I love that we have these sticks too, so you can just parade them around town.
Yeah, exactly. A little ghost parade.
Yeah, do whatever you want with them.
Trade ya?
Perfect.
Oh yeah, he's just sitting here.
Our ghost buddy. It's kind of sad they don't have faces yet.
Not yet. Those will be our final touches.
Why am I struggling? There we go. I'm taking a slightly different approach than you with the streamers, so we'll just see what ends up working.
Yeah, I mean, that's really a lot of arts and crafts, really, is just kind of trial and error sometimes and seeing what works. I'm going to do, one white and a black.
Perfect.
And they're just going to, I'm just tucking them in at the top here,
They're
kind of
twins.
with the knot of the balloon.
That's smart, okay.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, yours is cute.
Well, he's a little lopsided. Uh-oh.
Oh, wait, look how weird mine looks.
At least yours is sticking upright. All right, final touches are going to be the faces.
Let's do it. We have purple and orange because, some traditional Halloween colors. Any preference?
Not really.
Okay. How about orange to match your pants?
Okay. Sounds good.
Cool. All right. Are you going to go spooky ghost?
I might try and go cute ghost.
All right, I'm going to go spooky.
Uh-oh, my ghost is falling off his stand here.
This is a little messier than I thought it would be.
Let's see.
I am Picasso over here.
Big eyes.
Oh, he's so cute. I can't wait for you guys to see him. What are you going to name your ghost?
Boo Radley.
Boo Radley.
Like in To Kill a Mockingbird.
Oh, I was thinking like Bradley.
But
Boo Radley. I'm going to do...
That's one eye.
Oh, wow. Now mine's small. Mine's going to be Paige because it looks just like me.
I'm going to give him just a little smile.
Oh, he's cute, Leah. He looks like a little bug.
A little bean smile.
I love this craft. This is so fun. I could see how...
See, this one's cute.
Yeah, I could see how people would like these, and it's kind of relaxing.
Yeah.
Oh, so these are our new posts.
Yeah.
We can stick 'em right there.
There you go.
Yeah.
You're in good hands.
Bradley and oh, that's kind of. It's even spookier if they lose their head. It's okay.
Oh.
And there's your Halloween craft. They're cousins.
So maybe you can give this a try this weekend or something if you're looking for something to do with the kids.
Yeah.
We've had you covered all week, especially if you try any of these crafts.
Yeah.
We want to know which ones worked for you and maybe which ones didn't work so well. But either way, if you made an attempt, share it with us, team@coastlife.com.